Hello guys, welcome to my channel and another new video. So guys, today I have all of trucks, monster trucks are here, and there is another many colorful of toys or vehicles. So today I collecting all of vehicles or toys loaded on my truck here. So there is a first one is a base bike. See guys, there is a base bike is very nice and beautiful color combination. This is very colorful. So I collecting this one, of course, in my loaded on my truck here. Okay, and there is the next one is here. This is a very nice and beautiful baby trolley. This is a Barbie trolley, actually Barbie baby trolley. This is yellow and pink color combination, and baby is fully pink. There is a very funny. So I collecting this one, of course, in my truck loaded. Okay, and there is another one is a super racing Spider-Man car. So I collecting this one also on my truck here. Okay, so there are many things here. There is a very nice and very beautiful color combination. This is a Shiba cycle. This is pink color, black white combination also. So I collecting this one in my bucket here. Okay, and there is another one is a very nice and beautiful elephant car. There are many things here. This is red color, this is pink color, this is yellow, and this is also paste color. So I collecting this one also on my truck here. And there is the next one is a R17 high speed R17 Honda. This is yellow and black combination. So R17 high speed Honda collecting on my truck here loaded. Okay, and there is another one is a water gun. This is a Coke model water gun. This is paste and yellow color combination. So I collecting this one also besides of R17 Honda. And there is another one is a backhoe. This is a multifunctional backhoe. This is pink color, yellow color, green color combination. So multifunctional backhoe, I collecting this one in my loaded on my truck here. Okay, and there is a last one is a army jeep. This is a very nice and beautiful, and this color is the army cloth pattern on this car. Okay, so loaded on this truck here, and all of trucks fully loaded here, and this is so nice and beautiful. Look at this here guys, look at this. Wow, so let's go.